Welcome to THT Design Channel. I'm THT, who a designer and researcher of homes and living spaces. I am happy to share pictures and knowledge about the house with everyone. Imagine a light and airy haven. That's the essence of a white limestone house living room. The natural beauty of the limestone takes center stage, creating a calming and sophisticated backdrop for your design choices. Here's a glimpse into this design aesthetic: walls and floors, limestone walls, the star of the show. The cool, creamy tones of white limestone create a sense of spaciousness and serenity. You can opt for a smooth finish for a sleek, modern look, or a textured finish for a more rustic charm. Light and breezy floors, light-colored hardwood floors or large, pale tiles complement the limestone walls beautifully. This creates a seamless flow throughout the room and enhances the feeling of openness. Furniture and accents, natural materials, organic materials like wood, leather, and woven fibers add warmth and texture to the cool limestone. Opt for furniture pieces in light to medium wood tones, with clean lines and simple silhouettes to maintain an airy feel. Leather sofas or armchairs can add a touch of luxury, while woven baskets and sisal rugs provide a natural touch. Pops of color, while white creates a serene base, a touch of color can add personality. Introduce pops of color through throw pillows, artwork, or accent pieces. Consider calming blues, greens, or grays that complement the natural tones of the limestone. Metallic accents, a touch of gold, silver, or bronze adds a touch of glamour. This can be through lighting fixtures, coffee table accents, or decorative objects. Lighting and ambience, natural light. Maximize natural light by using large windows and sheer curtains. The white limestone walls and light floors will reflect the natural light, making the space feel even brighter and more inviting. Warm lighting. In the evenings, create a warm and inviting atmosphere with layered lighting. Floor lamps with woven shades can add warmth, while pendant lights or recessed lighting can provide task lighting. Overall feel: the white limestone living room design is all about creating a sense of peace and tranquility. It's a space that feels effortless and elegant, perfect for relaxing and unwinding. Here are some additional elements to consider. Fireplace. A fireplace faced with white limestone adds a focal point to the room and creates a cozy atmosphere. Greenery. Introduce a touch of life with indoor plants. Fiddle leaf figs, ferns, and snake plants thrive in bright, indirect light and add a pop of color. Artwork. Choose artwork that complements the color palette and overall feel of the space. Abstract art, nature-inspired pieces, or photography can all work well. By incorporating these elements, you can create a white limestone living room that is both stylish and serene, a perfect reflection of the natural beauty of the stone itself. There are many reasons why designing your living room with white limestone is a fantastic choice. Here's a breakdown of the benefits it offers: airy and sophisticated ambience, spacious feel. The cool, creamy tones of white limestone create a sense of spaciousness, making even a smaller living room feel larger and more open. Timeless elegance. Limestone is a natural material with a timeless appeal. It exudes sophistication and creates a foundation for a variety of design styles, from modern minimalist to rustic chic. Light and bright. The light color of the limestone reflects natural light beautifully, keeping the living room feeling bright and airy. Versatility and design flexibility. Neutral backdrop. White limestone provides a neutral backdrop that allows other design elements to shine. You can easily change the look and feel of the space with furniture, artwork, and accessories. Complements various styles. Limestone's versatility allows it to complement a variety of design styles. It pairs beautifully with clean lines and modern furniture for a minimalist look, or with natural textures and rustic elements for a more relaxed feel. Creates a cohesive flow. Using limestone on the walls can create a cohesive flow throughout the space, especially if it's used in an open floor plan that connects the living room to other areas of the house. Durability and easy maintenance. Long-lasting beauty. limestone is a durable material that can withstand everyday wear and tear. With proper care, it can last for many years, easy to clean. The smooth surface of limestone makes it relatively easy to clean. Dirt and dust can be wiped away with a damp cloth, making it a low-maintenance choice. Natural elegance that ages well, limestone develops a beautiful patina over time, adding to its character and charm. Additional advantages: increased property value. A well-designed living room featuring white limestone can add significant value to your property, especially for those seeking a sophisticated and timeless look. Energy efficiency. The light color of limestone reflects sunlight, potentially reducing the need for artificial lighting during the day. Improves air quality. Limestone is a naturally occurring material that doesn't trap allergens or dust mites, potentially improving indoor air quality. By incorporating white limestone into your living room design, you gain a beautiful, sophisticated, and versatile space that's easy to maintain and will last for years to come. Here's a roadmap to kickstart designing your dream white limestone living room. 1. Define your style and budget. Modern minimalist versus rustic chic. Consider the overall style you want to achieve. Do you prefer clean lines and minimalist furniture, or a more relaxed and rustic feel with natural textures? White limestone can work with both. Budgeting for beauty. Limestone can be a significant investment. Determine your budget for the limestone itself as well as for furniture, lighting, and other design elements. 2. Research and inspiration. Material selection. Research different types of white limestone finishes. Smooth finishes offer a sleek look, while textured finishes add a rustic touch. Consider how the finish will complement your desired style. Design inspiration. Browse online resources, magazines, and design websites for white limestone living room inspiration. Look for photos that showcase the style you're drawn to and see how different elements are incorporated. Professional help. Optional: consider consulting with an interior designer who can help you create a cohesive design plan and source materials. 3. Planning the layout. Measure and sketch. Measure your living room and sketch a basic layout. This helps visualize furniture placement, traffic flow, and any potential challenges. Focal point. Identify a focal point in the room. This could be a fireplace, a large window, or a piece of artwork. Arrange furniture around this focal point for a balanced layout. Traffic flow. Ensure there's enough space for comfortable movement around the room. Avoid blocking walkways or creating cramped areas. 4. Choosing materials and furniture. Furniture selection. Opt for furniture in light to medium wood tones with clean lines for a modern look, or go for textured pieces with a natural finish for a more rustic vibe. Accents and textures. Introduce warmth and texture with woven baskets, sisal rugs, and leather furniture. Pops of color. Select throw pillows, artwork, or accent pieces in calming blues, greens, or grays to complement the limestone and add personality. 5. Lighting design. Maximize natural light. Utilize large windows and sheer curtains to maximize the natural light reflecting properties of white limestone. Layered lighting. Create a warm and inviting atmosphere with layered lighting. Include floor lamps for warmth, pendant lights for task lighting, and recessed lighting for overall illumination. Remember, this is just a starting point. There's plenty of room for creativity and personalization. Sample materials before finalizing your choices. See how the limestone interacts with your chosen furniture and accents. Enjoy the design process. Creating your dream living room should be an exciting and fulfilling experience. Bonus tip: consider incorporating a fireplace faced with white limestone. It creates a stunning focal point and adds a touch of cozy elegance to the space. Please comment below to share your favorite home design style. In addition, you can refer to some images and videos about designs on my channel to get more ideas for your home. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe to the channel to follow the latest design trend videos. Don't forget to like and share the video if you like it.